Golden, buttery, and sweet. These stovetop candied yams are melt in your mouth good. Perfectly glazed, perfectly tender, and full of flavor. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crave with me. Today we're making my candied yams, a simple but delicious recipe perfect for the holiday or any Sunday dinner. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss a recipe. Okay, let's get started, you guys. I have some sweet yams here. I'm peeling off the skin. So you just want to make sure all that skin is gone. You don't want any leftover skin. Then I'm going to discard those. Then we're going to slice our yams about a half an inch thick. You don't want them too thin or they'll break apart while they're cooking, so these are perfect. In my cast iron pan, I'm adding 1 cup of brown sugar and half a cup of white sugar, followed by 2 to 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. So you're gonna let that melt down on medium-low heat. You want it to get thick and glossy, but not burnt. I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, along with 1 tablespoon of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of grated nutmeg. I love the taste of nutmeg. It just gives it a warm feeling. I also went in and added half of a lemon. Some people like to use orange juice. You can go ahead and use that. The preference is yours. Alright, so at this point, you're going to keep stirring slowly. This part is key. You don't want the sugar to crystallize or stick. When it turns into a smooth golden syrup, that's when we know it's ready for the yams. Alright, you guys, so now I'm adding in my sweet potatoes one at a time. You want to make sure that each slice gets fully coated in that buttery spice syrup. Okay, so you're gonna give this a gentle stir. Look at it shine already. It looks so delicious and it's not even cooked yet. Next, you're gonna cover your pan with a lid and you're gonna let it steam for about 10 to 15 minutes while checking it occasionally. You wanna lock in the steam so that it helps the yams cook down and get tender. Alright, after a few minutes, I give it a gentle stir just to make sure everything is evenly coated, then cover it back up and let it finish cooking. And look at that, you guys. It looks so, so good. The sauce thickens, the yams are softened, and everything comes together perfectly. These are soft, sweet, and so buttery. You can literally cut them with a spoon. That glaze is so unreal. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you try this recipe, please tag me. I'd love to see your version. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cozy homemade recipes. Until next time, thanks for watching.